welcome to my channel. Spotlight series on the house. Always remember to enjoy vlogging, bright mind, nothing small. Here to enjoy travel, fun time, food, tutorials, and so many more. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell button for more updates. Like and comment for more suggestions and share. Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. So, ang i-discuss natin for today's video is about sa reuse content. So, paano maiiwasan ang reuse content? Yung mga mag-a-apply ng monetization. Yan. First na nahawakan ko is yun ang naging problem. So, video about reuse content is all about the experience that I had experienced on this topic about reuse content. So, kailangan lang natin gawin is i-watch video kung paano ko ginawa. So, ganito. Alright, to locate the customization, just search your channel name. So when you are already on the homepage of your channel, you can see customize channel and manage videos. Go to the customize channel. So in that area you can see layout, branding, and basic info. So you fill those from layout, channel trailer, featured video, and add sections of playlist. So from that, your channel will be recognized by YouTube partner as a legit one and as a channel. So after that, you can see all playlists. The purpose of that is so that whenever you have visitors, they can recognize those videos from your playlist. So next is the branding. Make sure your branding will be related to your content and pleasing, and also you can add your basic info. So that is very important. So from that, everyone who visits your channel again will know your advocacy or your channel content or anything regarding to you. So next is the most important is your details in your content, from title to description must be connected already, and you must have the thumbnail also related so that the YouTube partner will not be hard to approve, because from those details they will recognize already that your channel take an effort. So that is for applying on monetization, so that to avoid reuse content. So ayun na nga guys, kailangan talaga i-customize natin yung ating mga channel before tayo mag-apply ng monetization, nang sa gayon hindi maulit yung nangyaring reuse content na decision ni Lon sa step. So first time ko ma-encounter yun, kaya napaka ano naman yan sa akin, parang challenging kasi another lesson to learn and to share to everybody para hindi na talaga ulit ito sa iba, lalo na yung mga bago pa lang na nag-a-apply at mag-a-apply. So further na reuse sa monetization, hindi pa natin yan kaya i-handle kasi wag naman sana ma-encounter natin yan. So for now, that's the experience that I share only during the application na nagkaroon ng reuse content. So ganun lang, kailangan lang i-delete kung may kailangan i-delete sa tingin mo, or i-change nyo na lang yung thumbnail. Dapat yung mukha niya halos nandun lahat, kahit magkapare-pares yung mga thumbnail, as long andun yung itsura niya. Tapos change yung profile pic, tapos yung title dapat related din doon sa video para ma-avoid yung misleading, kumbaga yung mga unrelated na topic regarding dun sa loob ng video, kasi chine-check naman yan nila. So pagtingin pa lang dun sa thumbnail, so ma-approve na agad yung application nung nag-a-apply para ma-monetize ni YouTube. So yun lang naman guys ang ating tutorial sa customization at saka yung pag-apply. So 1 month lang naman ang naging pag-aantay natin. So makikita nyo naman doon, may option doon, pwede i-apila o pwede mo naman antayin within 1 month. So sa within 1 month na yon, aayusin mo na lahat ng mga video doon, tapos lalagyan mo na din, especially sa description, kailangan may mga disclaimer yan kasi kung sakali may mga CPR doon, so mag-grant pa rin. So regarding sa CPR, iba po yan, different yan na issue. So walang kinalaman si CPR kung bakit na-reuse ang channel mo. It's a different story. Kasi kahit may CPR ka, mamamonetize ka pa rin. Based on my experience on my channel, marami akong CPR doon. So, nag-grant pa rin. So, sa analysis ko, hindi talaga yung connected. So, it's a different story from reuse content. So, hope meron kayong natutunan sa pinagsasabi ko at naipaliwanag ko ng maigi. So for now, mag-comment lang kayo sa baba sa mga further questions nyo regarding dito sa YouTube. Baka yun na yung magiging next content natin at another experience ni Spotty na may share natin sa inyo. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!